Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Feeling a little bit better today. Still not 100%, but this cold has been knocking me out. But anyway, I just wanted to come on this video and talk about ketosis in regards to the plan that I'm following. A lot of you are asking me about it, and so I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to make the video. So the meal plan that I'm following, in case you haven't been watching my videos lately, is called OPTAVIA. And it is a meal replacement plan where you eat 5 of their meals every day, and then you cook yourself one meal consisting of lean protein and some vegetables and some good fats. You're allowed to have a snack during the day and some condiments and things like that, which is a whole other video. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about the plan in regards to ketosis. So on average, each meal that I eat during the day has anywhere between 10 and 14 grams of carbohydrates. And then they also are packed with fiber. So technically, for someone like me who was used to counting whole carbs, if you're looking at it that way, it would be a little higher than what I was normally at. But if you include the fiber in the macro counting, then it's slightly less. So either way, I'm definitely in a fat burning state, and I know exactly how I know because I've been on keto for the last few years. So my transition from keto to this was very easy. I really didn't get much of any keto flu or anything like that because when you come off of a keto plan and you're going into a fat burning plan, it's kind of seamless. I did have one headache though, I have to say. I had a low, dull headache on day 2. And I don't know what that was from, other than to say that the week before I started this, I ate kind of off plan, whatever I wanted, just to revamp my body up. So I was probably getting back into the fat burning process. But so I'm probably averaging about 60, 20, 30, 40, 50, about 60 to 65 grams of carbohydrates each day, which is still technically fat burning, anything under 100 grams. Keto would technically be 20 grams or less. Some people can do it at 30, 40, 50, 60. It just depends on your body. I always stuck to the fundamental keto because I was very insulin resistant, especially in the beginning. And then as the years went by and I got older and my hormones are starting to change, and you guys know from the other video that I put up, some of my levels were off. So that tells me that I needed to change something and tweak things up. And that is why I chose to do this. I'm not sponsored. I'm not trying to push it, but I'm excited because, number one, they use stevia to sweeten their meals with, which is fabulous because you know that doesn't raise the blood sugar and it doesn't make your body put out extra insulin, which is the same as keto. And stevia is one of the only kind of sweeteners that I ever recommended to anybody on keto. So that, number one, that is so important to me. Number 2, they add probiotics to their meals, which is phenomenal because, as you all know, I've always pushed the apple cider vinegar so that you can get good gut health. Well, this company provides that within each meal. The third thing that really pulled me to this company is the added vitamins and minerals to each meal. Now, you guys all know, if you go back and watch all my videos, you will clearly see that so many times we talk about potassium, magnesium, things like that, which can be very hard to get on keto because there's not a lot of foods that are keto approved that have that high amount of, let's say, potassium. You can have spinach and avocados and things like that to increase your protein. But then you're going to start looking at your other macros, and then everything gets like, oh boy, I can't have more spinach because my carb count is already up to, almost 20 for the day. So this is no brainer. I mean, one meal has 400 milligrams of potassium in it. One. And I have to have 5 of them. So think about that. That's like 2,000 milligrams of potassium just from that, not including what I eat in my own meal at dinner time. So I am feeling, aside from this cold, fabulous. I feel so good, and I can't wait to get my labs tested again to see that, if things are changing, because I feel so much better. Sleeping better. no more nightmares. I just feel a sense of calm, and I feel really good. It's easy to stick to. I've been so on plan, not deviating at all. I have no cravings, no hunger. While I've had this cold, I've been drinking some hot tea and 1 packet of stevia in there. It parallels the ketogenic diet so well. It just takes the guesswork out of everything. You don't have to meal prep. You don't have to worry about counting anything. I'm not even on my fitness pal right now, except to log my weight. It's just, you grab your food and you eat it, and that's it. So I'm loving OPTAVIA, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, because every day I'm getting a lot of messages about it, asking me, how can this be keto, or, you know, whatever. So those are the comparisons. It's very close to keto fundamentally, but, you know, a little bit less fundamental, let's just say that, because of the high carb count. And it's not even high. It's just, but I was at 20 or below, and now I'm, I guess, between 50, 60, somewhere like that, depending on what I eat in a day, because each meal has different carbs. My dinner has different carbs. It could be that, it could be less, whatever. But, so yeah, so I'm still with you guys. We're still doing fat burning. No glucose burning for this girl, because we all do better on fat burning. And eating the every 2 hours for me is just, it's always been, and I've always said it. And, you know, I can't say enough about it. So I'm doing wonderful, and weigh-in days are Saturday, so you'll see that video. If you'd like to see anything or talk about anything while I'm on this program, please leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it. And thank you so much for all of your love, kindness, and support, and the comments and the messages that you've been sending me. I really do appreciate it, because I know it's not easy to watch a channel and then have things switch. But just remember, I'm still in fat burning mode, so we still have tons to talk about. It's just that I'm not cooking as much for myself. I'm only cooking 1 meal a day. If you want to see what my lean and greens are, I'd be more than happy to provide that and show you. That would be exciting. Let me know. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Stay focused, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.